Thank you, sir. So this bill is regarding AP Reorganization Act. I would have been very happy if the members who spoke earlier to me spoke about special category status which was promised on this very floor of the House. I would also have been happy if they spoke about the funds for Polavaram project. Now in the recent budget they said the Polavaram project is being restricted to 41.15, which translates to 30,000 crore loss. I would have been happy had they spoken about Polavaram project. Sir, they are already, the central government has filed an affidavit in 2020 saying it's prerogative of the state that selection of the capital will be. Sir, but whatever, sir, we have our concerns. I would like to raise our concerns in this bill, sir. We want them incorporated in this bill. The first thing is, sir, Amaravati is being built on the lands of farmers, sir. Sir, 34,000 acres has been given by farmers for land pooling. They have not taken 1 rupee. They have not taken any benefit, and they gave it, sir. They were promised completely developed plots, sir. In 2015, they were promised developed plots that they'll be given in 2 years. And they were also promised that free education for their children. They were also promised housing schemes so that they can rebuild their houses and various other promises, sir. But what happened, sir, in those 5 years, 5,000 crores only was spent on Amaravati, sir, from 2014 to 2019. It is on record, sir. And not 1 rupee was given, and not one plot has been shown, sir. The present government is in power for the past 7 years. They were in power for 7 years, sir. Not one plot was given, sir. Not one plot. It is really pathetic. And the farmers are protesting right now, sir. Recently, in a government meeting, one farmer by name Rama Rao, sir, he expressed his deep anguish, sir. He said, my life is ruined. I believe the government, I gave my lands. What is my situation right now? My children are getting affected. My families are getting affected. And he lost his life in that meeting, sir. It is fact. It is there in the news also we can see. Sir, I will tell you, sir, not one plot also was given. It is only shown on paper, and whenever they go, even Mr. Pembasani was speaking, sir. He was talking about farmers. In his very meeting, they have protested, and he said, I will get you arrested if you raise your voice. This is what has happened, sir. Sir, they are not bothered about the farmers of this state. They are not bothered about the farmers.
Please.
Not 1 rupee. Sir, we demand that, Vysar Congress Party demands that give a specific date when you are going to hand over the plots to the farmers. When are you going to deliver the other benefits to the farmers? We want this incorporated in the bill. Just the name Amaravati is not enough, sir. We want the benefits to the farmers. We want the plots in a particular date and particular timeline. When are you going to give these plots to the farmers? That should be incorporated in the bill. Otherwise, there is no meaning to this bill, sir. Sir, we also want to know what is the area required for building Amaravati, sir. Right now, they have taken 34,000 acres from, this is very important, sir. I want the House also to understand what is happening in Amaravati. They have taken 34,000 acres from farmers, 20,000 government land, 54,000 acres the government is having it in its hold, sir. They want to go for a second phase for 1,75,000 acres more. That is there in the master plan. Sir, I would like to know, the existing area of Amaravati is 217 square meters, sir. Sir, I would like to quote an example. Sir, Kolkata is a very beautiful city, sir. The area of Kolkata is just 51,000 acres. It has a history of hundreds of years. The area of NMDC, New Delhi Municipal Corporation, is 10,500 acres only. Sir, it has taken years and years or decades and decades to build to this level, sir. You already have 54,000 acres, and it's going to cost a lot of money. According to the plan, what they have submitted, it's going to cost at least more than 2 crores, sir. And where are you going to get this money? Sir, we want a clarity in this bill. How much land are you going to take for Amaravati? How much are you going to spend? This has to be incorporated, sir. It can't be like it is going to happen till infinity and you're going to pump all the money here. We want a clarity. It should be clearly mentioned how much area you are going to take and when are you going to develop this 54,000 acres. Are you going to build a city bigger than Kolkata right now? Is it possible to put money immediately and build bigger than 50,000 acres? Why are you going for the additional land acquisition? What is the need to go for additional land acquisition? That is our question, sir. Where are you going to get? Sir, recently, Just 2 days back, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, who's our CM spoke, sir. He said, we don't have money. The money is what we are getting in the state is enough only for salaries. And we are borrowing money to give for schemes. Sir, is there a clarity how they are going to spend for this balance 50,000 acres and the balance 50,000 or 1,75,000 they are going to acquire? Is there any meaning to acquisition what they are going to get more? Already farmers are dying, sir, because they are not getting their plots. They are not able to sell them. They are not able to use it. Sir, how is it justified to go for more land acquisition is our question. Sir, and sir, if you see how much they have spent, Chandrababu Naidu was in power from 2014 to 19. He is talking of lakhs of crores. He was in absolute power, part of the NDA. He spent only 5,000 crores in that 5 years. And now in these 2 years, they have been in government. They have given 5,000 mobilization advance and 7,000 crores worth of bills for the works they have carried out, sir. How is it justified? How is it justified that they are going to execute in the next 3 years? It's not going to happen, sir. At this rate, what is going to happen? They don't have no clue where they are going to get the money. This is a diversion tactic from what is happening in the state. The state is in heavy debt, sir. Sir, in the 5 years YCP was in power, we borrowed 3,30,000 crores. In 2 years, TDP is in power. They have borrowed more than 3,36,000 crores. This is the reply from the parliament. This is not what I am talking, sir. So what is happening? Where are they going to get the money for Amaravati? And sir, what is more glaring? I am going to come to Mr. Ramesh's topic. What is more glaring, sir? I will give you an example, sir. In Delhi, in New Delhi, the MP quarters of the government buildings is costing 4,000 by the PWD. So the material cost is high here. Sir, I want the House to have, please listen to this important point. It is costing 4,000 per SFT. PWD department, we have collected the data. I am ready to place the data on the table of the House, sir. 4,000 rupees plus is the cost. All the aggregates are high. The sand is high. The crusher thing is high. Everything is high, sir. And what is happening, sir? In Amaravati, they have called tenders for 55,000 crores, sir. I will tell you an example. Per SFT cost for more than 1 crore SFT they have called. Per SFT is 12,000 plus. How can Delhi, the government is doing it, the government here in central government is doing for 4,000 and the same building, same thing with cheaper material they are doing for 12,000 rupees plus. 8,000 rupees is the difference per SFT. It's the highest in the country, sir. It is loot of public money, sir. You say, sir, 1 crore is more than 1 crore SFT. If you are spending 8,000 extra, where is this money going? That is why Mr. Ramesh is shouting, sir. He never opened his mouth for BJP. He is coming here for the contracts, sir. That is why he abused us. Sir, one more thing.
Please, sir, please.
Sir,
That will be
I
on.
would like to...
That will not be on record.
Sir, I would like to...
Midunji, please. Ramesh, आप बैठे. Please. आप बैठे ना. Please don't make any personal allegation against the members. That will not be on record. No. That is not fair. That is you can criticize the government. You can criticize the government. Not make any allegation against the members. That is not good. That will not be on the record. Please withdraw the comment. Please withdraw the comment. Yeah, that's why. Already the chair has observed. That is not fair on the part of a member making a personal allegation against a member. You can criticize the government, but this is unfortunate. Please withdraw the comment, please.
Sir,
that will not be on record. Sir. That will not be on record.
Sir,
Need not.
Sir, if you think I have made a personal record and it needs to be removed from the records, a personal remark and it needs to be removed from the records, though it is the truth, I totally go with the chair, sir. I totally go with the chair.
Yes.
Sir.
Sir, let me complete. Let me complete.
Sir, there is no rule that you can give the same person second time. Sir, when Mr. Chandrababu Naidu swore in as Chief Minister, sir, he spoke of the capital of the state. He officially declared that the area near Tiruvuru will be, as a CM, sir, he made a statement. he officially declared that area near Tiruvuru will be the capital of the state. Sir, he officially made a remark. In the meantime, they bought lands in Amravati for 5 lakh, 10 lakhs, sir. They bought thousands of acres.
Now, Krishna, when your turn comes, you can counter the argument.
And
No
after
problem.
they bought the land, then they shifted the capital to Amravati. Then he said Amravati is the capital, sir. This is insider trading. For 5 lakh, 10 lakh rupees, they bought the land, and now it is costing crores. This is the whole concept of Amravati. That is why he is after this, sir. They are not bothered about Polavaram. They are not bothered about special category status. They are not bothered about the funds of the state. Only they want ratification for Amravati. This is not fair, sir. This is not at all
Love Krishna,
fair.
you can
This
counter
is
when your
not
time comes. Please, wait.
Sir, and
Nothing will go on record
And-
except the
sir,
observations
they were
of
talking
Mithun Nadeem.
about 3 capitals, sir. I would like to clarify on this. I want the House also to hear, sir. They are talking about 3 capitals. Sir, they are talking about 3 capitals. I would like to say that it is a concept which they need to understand. It is not pumping the whole money of the state into one place. The whole state needs to be distributed. The whole state needs to be
Minister, please.
decentralized, and development should happen throughout the state. That is the concept of it, sir. The BJP officially put a Rayalaseema statement, sir. They made a statement in Rayalaseema saying that Kurnool will be the second capital. Then after alliance, they went. It is officially on record, sir. It is on record. It is on record, sir. Then they went there. Sir, I would like to say that, sir, there are countries. There is South Africa. There is Netherlands. There is Georgia. There are various countries in the world which follow this policy, sir. They have a capital, but they want to develop the other places also. So they have a multiple capital things. And if they are not able to understand this whole thing of developing the whole state, then we can't do anything, sir, because they are their focus is so much centered around their lands in Amravati. So they can't understand this concept of developing the whole state, sir. This just putting the name and bringing it to Parliament is of no use, sir. We want our concerns, the farmers' interest to be protected. The amount in this bill, the amount of what we require for Amravati, the land, what you are going to do, what is your plan with definite timelines. And we want this camp to be proud, sir. This bill in this present state is no use to the people of our state. So we oppose this because we oppose this bill in the present form. Though we are not against Amravati or any other part in the state, though we are not against Amravati or not, we are against this bill in this present form, sir. We are against this bill in this present form, and we are going to make a walkout, sir, because this bill is hopeless and there's nothing in this.
Thank you. Shri Dharmendra Yadav ji.
धन्यवाद सभापति जी। मैं अपनी पार्टी समाजवादी पार्टी अपने नेता आदरणीय अखिलेश यादव
एक सेकंड बैठ रमेश जी he has made a personal observation. He has made a personal allegation against you. I have already ruled that will not be on the record. A matter which is not on record, why should you counter? And also he has also withdrawn it. Please, no need of a personal explanation, because that is unfair. The chair has already ruled and he has also withdrawn. So there is no need of any explanation, a matter which is not on record. Yes, Dharmendra Yadav ji.
अच्छा